Welcome to this Flutter tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through automating the Flutter TextField widget using Appium and how to make it easily accessible using the semantics widget. Let's get started. Automating Flutter widgets like TextField can be tricky, especially when Flutter renders widgets differently compared to native platforms. That's where semantics comes in. It allows Appium and other test tools to understand your widget hierarchy better. Here's a basic TextField widget in Flutter. While it's perfectly functional, this alone won't give Appium enough information to locate or interact with it effectively. To make this accessible to Appium, we wrap it in a semantics widget. We set an identifier, in this case input field, and mark it as a container. This tells Appium what this field is and makes it visible in the accessibility tree. Here's a breakdown of the steps to automate the text field. Launch Appium Inspector with your running app. Locate the semantics label under ID. In element search, select XPath with this ID. Select tab and enter the text and then click Send keys to interact with the field. In Appium Inspector, once the app is running, we can now see the input field under ID. We can use this ID as XPath to find and tap the element during test automation. This approach isn't limited to just the default text field. You can apply the same semantics pattern to widgets like FormBuilderTextField, making form automation consistent across your app. That wraps up our guide on automating Flutter TextField using Appium and semantics. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Flutter tips and automation guides. Thanks for watching.